Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming your laptop is updated and awake, then go straight to Settings. Once done, open Accounts, then Sign in Options to begin fingerprint setup. You do this now because device drivers and Windows updates prevent recognition errors. Make sure the built-in fingerprint sensor is clean. Wipe it with a dry microfiber cloth. If you're on battery saver, disable it temporarily so the sensor stays active. Proceed to Windows Hello Fingerprint to add your first fingerprint. Now you'll enroll the fingerprint. Choose Add a Fingerprint and follow the guided prompts. You should lift and place the same finger about 4 to 6 times, adjusting placement and pressure so the sensor captures multiple edges and angles. This improves recognition. When Windows asks, create or confirm a PIN because Fingerprint Unlock uses the PIN as fallback and security anchor. Once the system confirms enrollment, name the fingerprint if prompted. Then test by locking the screen and signing back in with your registered finger. Finish by testing the new fingerprint through several lock and unlock cycles to verify consistent results. If recognition is inconsistent, make sure the HP biometric device driver is updated in Device Manager and restart the machine. Updated drivers often fix missed scans. If problems persist, remove the fingerprint entry and re-register it, wiping the sensor first. One key troubleshooting tip: faulty enrollments usually come from movement or low driver versions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.